I'm Nancy McClellan. I'm a member of the ABM Expert Advisory Council. Industrial hygiene, we're looking at how to anticipate what could come into a building. And in this case, we're looking at biological hazards, how that can come into a facility. Then we're looking at how to recognize that once it's in a facility and how we're going to deal with it, evaluate it, measure it. And then once we know what the problem is and we've wrapped our arms around it, how we're going to control it and make sure it doesn't occur again in the future. The ABM Expert Advisory Council has put together a vetting process. The vetting process focuses on 3 factors: safety of a technology, efficacy, meaning how well does it work, and we also focus on return on investment. Over the long haul, indoor air quality will always be an issue. Pandemic preparedness will always be an issue. We know that from the scientific information that's available now, that there's a high probability of future pandemics. The pandemic has made an indelible impact on our world that is not likely to change. It's likely to be the impetus to spur better planning, better business continuity, better prevention programs, better exposure control. And it's made such a big change that we're still going to need the tools, we're still going to need the messages, we're going to still need the controls in order to recognize that pandemics are still a reality. We need to have the tools to evaluate their severity, and we need to have ways to address them, whether they be airborne, whether they be surface-borne. With improved indoor air quality, you're improving productivity. You can measure that. You're improving morale. You're also improving the overall health. And when you talk about the wellness of a building, and you talk about the wellness of the occupants that are there, that are your employee base or simply occupants, there's a measured improvement in overall health, a reduction in cost in insurance premiums. There is an actual quantifiable return on investment. And when you talk about all of those factors in an additive manner, it's really not that difficult to make a good business case for being pandemically prepared.